Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this bouncy text animation on the CapCut PC app. So grab your text, add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the word creative. You can type anything you want, of course, with this. And I'm just going to select this type of style. Again, you can use anything. Then I'm just going to scroll down and I'm just going to use the curve, and I'm just going to curve it a little bit more. I'm also going to extend the duration a little bit. So you're just going to simply add a keyframe here. And then here you're going to curve it the other way. So 168, you're going to do minus 168. And then like here, for instance, you do 168 again. And then here you do like minus, where is it? Minus 168. And you're just going to keep doing that until you have enough. And again, minus, and then here. And if the keyframes are far apart, just make them closer to each other if it looks a little bit slow. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!